In this video, we're going to explore how we can give in our current design here the left side of the border a nice color as well. So what we can do here is the following. We're going to use the border left color property, and with this property we can give a declaration of, let's say, a different color, so we have different items here. So to do this, we need the border then left color, and then in here we can say this will be blue. But if we save this right now and refresh, you can see there will be no color at the left side. And the reason why is currently is we didn't assign any color or any border there, so it understands that there is no border to color. So let's do this immediately. So we're going to decide here, we're going to input here border left style, and then we can say here dashed, and then we also can give this a border left width, where we control the width as well. Let's give this 5 pixels, and then if we save this now and refresh, you can see now we have here our border left with a blue color with a dash, and it's 5 pixels in width. This is the way how you can control the left side, and you make it as unique as possible every specific border. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.